Welcome to your GK classes. So kids, we are starting with chapter number 17 of your book, and the name of the chapter is Computer Tools. So in this chapter, we will see about some computer tools. Okay, so ready for this class? Okay. Now, you all know about computers. Yes? Have you seen the computers? Hope so. Okay, in your computer lab, computers are there. And I am also hoping that you also read and you also know some of the parts of computers. Yes? Let's check your test how much you know about computers by this chapter. Okay? Yes, of course, in your computer class, in your computer subject, you already discussed about all these things. So in this chapter, as this chapter is in your GK book, so in this chapter you will just revise all these things. Okay, so what are the computers and what are their computer tools? Why this chapter is here in your GK book? Just because in GK it's a collections of all the subjects. So in this GK we can study English also, some reasoning, some math, some what we can call related to your geography, related to your science. Everything is there in it. Okay, so that's why the GK subject is so much important. So now we will starting with computer tools. Okay, so let's start. A computer is an electronic device for storing and processing information. We all know computer is an electronic device and it helps us to process and store the informations. Computer informations are called data. कंप्यूटर्स में बेटा जो इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर होती है, आपने जितनी भी चीजें उसमें फाइल्स है, अपनी वीडियोस है, कुछ भी है, जो भी चीज स्टोर करके कंप्यूटर में रखी गई है, दैट इज नोन एज डाटा. इसको डाटा कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं बेटा? डाटा कहते हैं. ठीक है, जो भी आपके कंप्यूटर्स में स्टोर रहता है. ठीक है, सो ये तो हमें कंप्यूटर के बारे में पता लग गया. कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस. ओके, दैट इज नाउ वेरी पॉपुलर यूज्ड. जो आज के टाइम पे कंप्यूटर बहुत यूज किया जाता है. आपको पता है छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए वी कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर्स. सो नाउ माय डियर किड्स, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. ठीक है, अब कंप्यूटर तो इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसके पार्ट्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर में उसके पार्ट्स जब जॉइंट होते हैं तभी वी कैन एबल टू डू आवर वर्क. ओके, विदाउट CPU, विदाउट कीबोर्ड, विदाउट माउस, कैन वी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग? नो. So computer with their parts, we can able to do our work. So look at the pictures and try to guess the names of the following computer parts. So here you have to see what you have to do. Here we can see the parts of a computers. Now you have to tell me the names of it. What are their names? Done? So let's start. Let's start with the first one. What's that? Mouse? Yes. Have you heard this thing? Have you seen it before? Yes, we all seen it. Okay. Next one is the brain of the computer, known as CPU. Okay, Central Processing Unit. It's look like that. Yes. Next one, this is known as monitor. Okay, this is monitor. Next, this is the thing. With the help of this, we can do typing. We can type anything. So this is keyboard. Next is the sixth one. What's that? It is used to take colorful black and white printouts. So it is a printer. Next, SanDisk. What's that? It's a pen drive. Yes, in the pen drive we can store everything in it. Okay, we can store everything in our pen drive. So that's why it's very important to store our information, to store our data. Okay. Next, what's that? Nowadays it is very popular. No one use computers because it is heavy, it's take larger space. Everyone now switch to tab, switch to laptop. So it is a laptop. Okay. Next is the eighth one. Eighth one, it is, what's that? It is a speaker to listen songs. We can use speaker for that. Okay. If we want to listen some loud sounds, okay, some loud music, so we can take the help of speakers to listen the music, to listen your favorite song. Mostly it is used in parties or in any functions, birthday celebration, something like that. Okay. Next is, this is UPS, uninterrupted power supply. When the power cuts off, so your computer also working for like little bit, like 15 to 20 minutes, they can able to functions, and you can save all your data so that it cannot be removed from your computers. So UPS is there, but invention of laptops changed everything. Now everything becomes so compactable, everything becomes so easy to use. Okay, so in the laptop we all have, all the things are there in the laptop. Keyboard is also inbuilt in it, mouse is also there. There's no need to carry CPU extra or something UPS extra. Okay, so that's it, is the computer and its past. Now some question is for you. Are you ready for these questions? Now the paths is clear, computer is clear. Okay, now you have to choose from these. What are they? Okay, so we will start with the first one, my dear kids. To play music on a computer, we need speaker and a sound card. Yes, if I want to play a music, so I need speaker and the sound card also. Okay, then only we can play the music. Okay, next is the second one. The brain of the computer is CPU. Okay, that is central processing unit. Next is the third one. A folder is a collection of, in the folder what are the things that is there? Yes, files are there. Okay, it's a collection of the informations. In your computer also different files are saved. Okay, next the fourth one, fill in the blank, is the set of instructions that makes our computer work. So what are the instruments? What are the instructions that make our computer function? That is your operating system. That is your operating system. Okay, that's it. Okay, so yeah, this is the computer and their tools. Easy? समझ में आया चीजों को? क्लियरली देख लीजिए अब ये पिक्चर्स, कभी भी आपको नजर में आए, आप स्कूल में देखें अपने लैब्स में, तो आप बता पाए द नेम ऑफ दैट इज दिस and it is used for that. Okay, so yeah, this is a chapter all about. Okay, so that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.